Hi, students. Mr. Oliver. Hope you had a wonderful day, evening. We're going to be back to work today. I'm not here, obviously. I'd be sitting at my desk if I was. But I'm coming to you via TV or recorded YouTube. Okay, so today, I'm not going to sing to you. That was last night. But I'm going to have you do a couple things today. They're kind of cool. You're going to take your 3 worksheets we've been using, your reflection, your multiple intelligence worksheet checklist, and your self-edit checklist that you did last night. Take all 3 of them. I want your self-edit on the bottom, then your reflection outline in the middle, and then on top, multiple intelligence checklist. Take them. Mr. Stapler, staple, put in the turnip box. That simple. Then you're going to have a lot more fun. As you can see on my computer screen, I'm going to pull up this nice chart. I'm here. The chart's here. Oh, backwards. Chart's here. I'm here. Okay? You're going to watch a series of videos. You will have this chart via paper. You will take your pencil and you will write down the answers as you watch the video. That's simple. It's easy. Well, so we're going to look at for symbols. You can draw in a symbol of one of the religions. We are going to be, let me rephrase that. I'm getting ahead of myself. We are going to be studying Judaism, Christianity, Islam, Hinduism, and Buddhism. You are going to be looking for their symbols. You're going to be looking for their holy books. You're going to be looking for their founders, major beliefs, spiritual leaders, got ahead of myself, followers, and locations in the world where they can be found today. If you need more space, utilize the blank area at the bottom of the screen. You are going to be getting this information today from Edpuzzle. We've been there before. I know you know how to get there. Edpuzzle, www.edpuzzle.com. You will log in using your Gmail accounts through the district. I have 5 wonderful new videos for you to watch. Each of them are 20 minutes long. You have one on Christianity, one on Buddhism, one on Judaism, one on Islam, and one on Hinduism. You get to choose which one you want to start with today. You will watch it for 20 minutes. There is a question at the end that you need to answer. Then you will start the second video. That will get you through the day today. We will pick up with this on Monday. I have books to help supplement it, but we're not going to get to those just yet. We want to use the movies first. I hope you have a wonderful day today. Good luck. The guest teacher is going to be passing out the charts right about now. Hope to see you soon. If you have questions, come see me during Flex. I'll be back. Thanks. Bye.